Hello, you're welcome to this channel today. Thank you for your love and your support. Today, I want to teach you one health secret growth spray that is good. You're not going to rinse it out with water. You're going to leave it on your hair. Doesn't matter for 1 month, 3 months, 4 months. It's not going to damage your hair. Rather, it will grow your hair. Fenugreek seed with green tea and another ingredients is just only three ingredients, only three. Guys, this is going to help your hair to grow. It's going to help your hair to grow. Vinegar seed help hair to grow, stimulate hair. Every damaged hair, it makes it to grow faster. Tea stimulates your hair, green tea, and it makes your hair to grow faster. When you use these three ingredients on your hair, you are going to love it. You are going to love it. I'm going to be showing you the last ingredients, okay, at the end of this video when we finish, okay. So this is very good, guys. You just place it on your blender. It's so simple. It's so simple. You can even do it while talking. So simple. This is very good to for your damaged hair. If you have a rough hair and you have a rough scalp, your hair is not growing, you add water to it, and just this way, just it, you add water to it and just blend. You cover and just blend. Guys, this hair is going to good. Add this into your hair regimen and you're going to love your hair growing. Even though you have protective style, you can add it to it. Without protecting style, you can add it to it. Your children can use it. You can use it and it's very good, okay. So this is it. After blending it, you just put it. Even though you fix your hair like fixing weave-on or braiding, you can use it on your skull. It's going to help your hair to grow and you make your hair not to fall. It's going to speedily grow your hair when you're using this. You are going to enjoy it and you are going to love it, okay. You add a pot in the gas with water. So after that, you place it inside the pot and you just cover it. We are going to be leaving it for 15 to 20 minutes for all the nutrients to get inside of it, okay. The nutrients of the vinaigrette, we want to suck all of them out, okay, with the green tea. This is very good for your hair growth. Just try it. You are going to love it. If your hair is falling, it's going to stop. So after 20 minutes, I bring it out and I leave it for 5 hours. So after 5 hours, so it has been cooled and all those things. So I have to take my sipper and you just sip, okay. And it's very good. You just sip. So after sipping it this way, you don't need to use like filter because the particles will go with it, okay. You just don't look at the thickness this way. It's not going to stain your hair. It's going to be, you're going to love it. It's going to make your hair shine. So the ingredients that makes it to be three is peppermint essential oil. Guys, this is very good. This is very good. Peppermint essential oil, you just put a few drops to eat this. I'm going to be adding 7 drops, okay. I add 7 drops. Peppermint essential oil is very good for your hair growth. It will stimulate your hair. It will cause dandruff to go and hair falling. Peppermint essential oil is so good. So you add it in your spray bottle. Don't look at the way it's thick and the color is not going to stain your hair. It's going to shine your hair, makes your hair beautiful, longer and stronger. Just try it. I do just for 1 week. I don't like to do it 2 weeks down. I do it 1 week. I spray it mostly every 2 days. It's like you have a flower that you are wetting. That is how I use it, okay. So I did a protective style, so I spray it all over. I wet my hair like, you know, when you plant a flower, you just want to wet it for it to grow. So that is how this spray will work on your hair. A lot of tips that is coming that is good for your natural hair, okay. So you can do a protective style and leave it for 1 week or 2 weeks. Just the spraying days, okay? The next week you're going to lose it. You will see it's not going to stain your hair. I'm telling you, it's going to make your hair to shine. It's going to glow your hair. It's going to beautify your hair. You see the way it is right now. It's not staining it at all. Everything is just going to smooth together before you know it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.